How to find contacts on Google account. Well, that is what I'm going to show you guys in this step-by-step tutorial. So if this video helped you out, let me know in the comments if it did, and let's get started right away. So what you want to do is, first of all, make sure to open up any browser. So it can be Google, Safari, it does not matter. Now then what you want to do is simply search for Google Contacts, just like that. Search for it, and then the first website that you'll see is contacts.google.com. Now that's the one where you want to click on. And once you do that, you'll be brought to this page where you have to log into your account, where you have saved all of your contacts. If you haven't logged in already, then you'll be brought to this page where you can see all of your contacts saved inside your Google account. So I can scroll through all of these. I'll probably blur this out because these are like private contacts, but yeah, these are basically all of the contacts that I actually have, and they're all saved in here. So yeah, that's basically it. That's how to find contacts on Google account. I hope this video helped you out. Let me know in the comments, and I'll see you next time.